Welcome. In today's quick guide, I'll show you how to disable the monochrome icon on the Telegram app on your PC using the latest update. If you've noticed that your Telegram icon looks plain or colorless, that's because the monochrome icon setting is turned on. Some users like the minimal look, but if you prefer the classic, colorful Telegram icon, you can easily switch it back in just a few steps. Let's get started. First, open the Telegram app on your computer. Make sure you're logged into your account so you can access all the settings. Once the app is open, look at the top left corner of the screen. You'll see three horizontal lines, also known as the menu icon. Go ahead and click on it to open the sidebar menu. From the menu, find and click on Settings. This will take you to the main configuration area of your Telegram app. Inside Settings, scroll down until you see the Advanced option. Click on Advanced to open more detailed settings. Now, look for the option labeled Use Monochrome Icon. If this setting is enabled, your Telegram icon will appear in a simple, single-color style. To bring back the original colorful icon, simply toggle this option off. Once you disable it, the change should apply immediately and your Telegram icon will return to its normal look. That's all there is to